Hey everyone, this is the video for lesson 4, day 1, thermal energy for 7th grade. You've opened the slide and you're accessing the video that'll be right here to understand what you're doing for today's lesson. So first thing you need to do is finish your bell ringer and then open your slides right here with this link. This takes you to the Google Classroom assignment where your notebook is attached, and copy slides 13 to 15. It's just 3 slides, 13, 14, and 15. And then listen to what I have to say for your instructions, okay? So we just got done looking at what cup features seem most important for keeping a drink cold, okay? We looked at some data. We looked at a data table up here. And we looked at the regular cup, the fancy cup, and two different metal cups and a plastic cup. We looked at lids, we looked at straws, double wall, single wall, but we looked at how the lid, it looked like it kind of made a difference, okay? We graphed our data, we analyzed the graphing of the data, and realized we probably need to look at the lid a little bit more, okay? So what you guys are going to do first is you are going to collect some data. Okay, now it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be an actual experiment, but it's going to be something that you can use to collect the data. All right, so have this slide up and then have the video up because I'm going to put the information on the video. Okay, so the data for the cup with a lid is here. So pause your video and transfer your temperatures. All right, the data for a cup with no lid, this is that data, okay? So make sure you record the data for this one as well. So pause your video and record this data. All right, now that you've recorded the data, take a look at it and take a look about how much it changed. How much did the cup with the lid change and how much did the cup without the lid change, okay? Then I want you guys to go to this slide. It's an argue from evidence. Now this is practice, okay? We've never done this before. So I'm looking at this to see what you guys can do and what you can't do. So it says, take a minute to read through the claims listed below. Then pick one, the one that applies for our data. Explain why you selected that claim in the box below with evidence from our investigation to support your explanation. So I should have at least 3 good sentences. Your answer, telling me what claim you chose, your explanation, and then your evidence to support. All right, and the reason why that evidence supports. Okay, so there's 3 different claims, and then you tell me what claim you selected, explain why, support it with evidence. Okay, once you get done with that, I want you to answer these 2 questions. Do you think anything was getting into or out of either of our 2 cup systems as the liquid and then was cooling down? And how would weighing each system at the start and end of an experiment, like the cup lid lab, help us figure that out? Okay, so what do we think is happening with these lids when we see the temperatures changing? Okay, so basically you're doing this, which requires this video, arguing from evidence, and 2 data analysis questions, and that's it. Okay, you guys got this. Have a great day.